Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn how to add scrolling texts on your video using Filmora 9 in this tutorial. Scrolling texts are helpful when you want to call for actions, display news and many other circumstances. Let's getting started now. Okay. Here I am at my example timeline. I have a video track to play as a background. And a title box on top of the video track. So, in short, in order to add a scrolling text on your video, all you need is to add a text title, or lower third template, then choose the right animation for the text. In this tutorial, I will delete the title box and keep the video track as I will not do anything with the video track. Firstly, select a random title template by going to Title tab. Select Title. Then grab any of these templates on top of the video track on the timeline. In this example, I will use this default title without any animation so that I don't need to remove, or delete any animation later. Firstly, let's move the text to the position I want at the bottom of the video. Then, write what I normally say at the beginning of my tutorial. One thing that I've noticed that if the sentence is too long, some texts will be hidden in the text box. You can just grab the edge of the preview window to leave space for the text editor. Now you can see all the text. When you finish typing, just grab the edge of the preview window and return it to the default position. Here we have the text without animation. We need to add scrolling animation for the text. Firstly, double-click on the title box. Select Animation tab. Then select Left Roll, or Right Roll Animation to create the effect. In this case, I will select Left Roll. Click OK to go back to the timeline. Let's preview the scrolling text animation. I think it too fast. We can adjust the speed of the animation by extending the duration of the title box. Or you can go to the Advanced Edit window to adjust the animation if you want. For me, this scrolling text looks nice. That's how easy you can add scrolling texts on your video using Filmora 9. I hope you like the tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next tutorials. Bye for now.